Over in Clarendon, the condition of the Maypen market is again being called into question. This after a downpour of rain Friday resulted in flooding.
A section of the Maypen market as the flood waters recede.
When rainfall, we can't sell nothing again.
Not exactly conducive for selling, but these vendors say they have no choice but to stay. The conditions, however, a turn-off for customers.
Nobody now come around here, so when they reach this one, they see water, then turn back.
The vendors explain that this is an ongoing problem.
In a swamp, ag no like nothing wetty, we are not ag. Me tell if you go to parish council, me tell if you call them, me tell if you make complaint, them now do nothing about this.
You see me chop all in? The police them cut it down.
And we have to sell in a son.
We for selling a son. The last time Desmond Mackenzie come to me pen, Desmond Mackenzie say, "Una hag, wanna do in a son. Una tie up back on the chop all line."
President of the Maypen Vendors Association, Lorraine Green Mason, says the condition of the market is unacceptable. She's made representation on behalf of her members to the municipal corporation.
The reality is the vendors are customers of the municipal corporation. There has to be a better way. The authorities or the powers that be just cannot play a scant regard as them and us. It has to be a collective effort. And the vendors ought not to be treated as though they are criminals or as though they are nobody.
The Maypen Municipal Corporation has in the past outlined plans to fix the market. There's still no word on when the work will start. Janella Precious, TVJ News.